In your Google Drive, I want you to set up a new folder for videography, and I want you to include your name with it, last name, first name, whatever, in case you end up sharing something with me. That way your name's attached to it. And then you'll go into that folder, and you can create folders for different projects. If you want to house your files here, this would be a good place to do it. But you definitely also need to set up a Google site within your videography folder. And this Google site is where you're also going to be housing your videos in addition to your Vimeo channel and writing your reflections. So you can name this whatever. If you want to name it my film page, something like that. Add a text box. You can double click to get these features. So you can add a text box and change your heading. So do a little bit about me. We can center this and then add more text. I am a senior at MyHeritage, etc., etc. Okay. Then under pages over here, you will create, every time we do a project, you're going to create a page. So your first video project will be I Am Project. And once you have it uploaded to a channel, you will be able to embed the video, and you're also going to be doing a reflection. So let's see, text, there's my reflection that I'm going to write about my video, and I'm also going to embed a URL. So I'm going to copy and paste my video link here. So there's my video link. It's going to embed my video, and I can move this a little bit. Whatever works best for my screen. And then I write out my reflection over here, and so you'll have one page per project with your video and your written reflection. Today, what you'll do is create your site, do your front page, and then your little about me info, okay?